Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to fully enhance your web browser experience on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a web browser. In this case, we will be using Safari. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, the first way to fully enhance your experience will be to go to the toolbar, go to File, and then go to a new private window. This allows us to search as if we were never signed into any account, as if this is a fresh new web browser that allows us to make the searches. Let's go back one. The second way to fully enhance your web browsing experience would be to add any shortcuts to the bookmarks, and therefore it saves you having to type and click and go through all the full protocols in order to get to your, whether it's a YouTube channel, Instagram account, Office 365, PayPal account, or any one of those accounts that you are using on a regular. If you work for a business, you will definitely be using applications, web applications, and you wish to be taken directly to that website through just one click of a button or a shortcut. And that's a second way to fully enhance your experience. The third way to fully enhance your experience for web browsing on a Mac computer is to have Google as the main search engine. We have moved into the era of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, which for me will not be replacing my search engine. I'll keep it to Google. I've kept it to Google since the beginning, just because AI is now taking over the globe, taking over the workforce, taking over everything we do on a regular. I still need to make those searches on Google, collate the information before I can make a solid conclusion, instead of using ChatGPT or whatever AI search engine that is available today to just do the job for us. That's not for me. However, I have used AI before, but in this tutorial, we are simply explaining the way to fully enhance the experience by keeping it a certain way. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.